All right, guys, what's popping? What's happening? Okay. You know how I do it. Welcome back to my channel. If I proceed, let me just catch fun again. I'm going to be catching spike live. Okay. Then let me just place the trade. I will start explaining. Okay. As I explain, the spike will come. Okay. I know my target is, you can see my red line there. That's my target where the spike should be coming, but it might not get to there, or maybe pass there a bit before the spike comes. Okay, but spike is around the corner. That's the whole so that's the summary of everything. Okay, you know, I created this video before, and many people were asking me question: does it work on crash? Is it only on boom? You can use it both on crash and boom. So you can see I'm doing this on crash. Okay, I'm doing this on crash. So I wanted to share with you that it works also on crash. Okay, and also maybe give you some tips in terms of a few things you need to look out for confirmation. Okay, so I'll just go in and sell. Okay, as usual. So because of this video, I'll just use a kind of small lot size, but remember, you also have to use smaller lot size to manage your account depending on your account size. So if you have a very good good amount in your balance, then you can increase your lot size to 1, 2, 3 or so. But if you have a small account, you start with 0.2, 0.5 and all that. Okay, so our job here now is to catch spike. This strategy is for catching of spikes. Okay, so how does this strategy work? Okay, how do we use it? Now, if you watch my previous video, you know that this is just the same thing. Okay, but for you, I'm applying it now on crash for you to see that it works also on crash. Okay, but if you have not watched the previous video, I recommend you just go check out the previous video before this one. Okay, remember to subscribe to this channel. Okay, all you owe me, as in you are not owing me anything in any all this video I'm dropping here. You don't pay me anything, and I'm just doing it just to help you guys. All you owe me just to like this video. Just like, okay, you know, it's compulsory to like my video. For the fact you have clicked this video, you must like it. You don't have choice. Just like my video. Okay, please, I'm begging you, like, subscribe, share. Okay, so now as we wait for the spike, I want to explain how this strategy works. Okay, before then, let me just remove this section for now. Okay, now all you need to do is to go to a higher time frame, check the trend. Now there are two things I need to make you understand here. This spike, okay, it might take it time to come, okay, but it must come and we are going to recover. Okay, but the problem is the trend. Always check the trend. If the trend is down, completely going down, then this spike is not going to waste time. Once it comes to that our point, it's going to come. The spike will, you just see it drop for crash. Okay, so you have to check a higher time frame like 1 hour, okay, or 4 hours to see the trend. Okay, first, if you check the trend, you can see that the price is kind of trending up, but if you scroll back a bit, you see that this is a clear downtrend, just that we are having a kind of massive pullback right now, and that's why you are not seeing a lot of spikes. But this is not actually change of trend yet. We have not confirmed this as a change of trend yet, so I'm still seeing it as a downtrend, that the price is still going down to the downside. Okay, so now you see the point I'm waiting at, where I'm targeting for spike is just, I think we are close or we are there. Okay, that's the point I'm targeting for that spike will come. Okay, we start coming, because definitely it's not going to be one spike. Okay, how do I know that this spike will be coming at that region? That's the question you might be asking, or you have to ask. Now just go to a higher time frame, like 15 minutes time frame. After checking your trend and you see that it's a downtrend for crash, if it is boom, you look for uptrend. Okay, so now for crash, if it is a downtrend, go to 15 minutes time frame, then look for all these. You can see my lines are here where I have this indicator called fractal. Okay, check out my previous video. I think it will help. Okay, check out my previous video to watch how to, there's no setup anyways by default, just add your fractal indicator. Okay, so after adding that indicator, you can see them, just mark out the point with lines. Okay, you can see this one, I mark out here, mark out here, mark out here, here. You can see them. Then I scroll back to see other point I should be marking out, you know, looking at the current price action. So I will mark out, I have already I kind of put in the lines already. You can see here, see here. So currently the price is here. Okay, That's our line there. You can see our line, and that's currently where the price is. So that's exactly where I'm targeting. So assuming we did not catch the spike there, we are still going to target this side. If you miss the spike, like you follow them, as the price comes close to our lines, we are going to be targeting a spike, a drop to the downside. Okay, now from here you can see when the price comes to this point, okay, you see that those drops. Okay, when the price still comes to this point, you see the drops. So whenever the price approach, you can see when the price comes here, you see the drop. So whenever the price approaches our level, okay, our line, then place a trade. Okay, place a trade. So for you can still do more confirmation by adding other indicators to confirm the exact point the spike will be coming. Remember, this is not a joke. This is a real account. For people that will always say, is this a real account or demo? This is a real account, guys. So now we are waiting for our spike to come. That's how simple catching this spike is. You can see the price just crossed our line, so we are still waiting because we know we are definitely going to recover. Okay, so as we are waiting for the spike, I have one package for you guys. Okay, you know, I'm preparing for I'm going to be launching a course this month, which I told you guys before is going to, some of them are going to be free, as in a lot of free content there in my website kingsfx and register, sign up. Once the course drops, I'm going to send you an email. You go and enjoy the free courses there. If you want to pay for the paid version or paid section, you pay and take the course. Okay, so the most question I do get, okay, let me say, in my DM I always have this like two questions. First, can someone learn trading without paying? All right, without paying for any course or paying for mentorship or anything? And my answer is always yes. You can learn trading without paying any dime, like, to anybody. Okay, you just have to give your time, like consistently, learning 247, looking for opportunities, looking for content on YouTube, on Google, any place at all you can get free content. Keep practicing those things you see there, put them at work and all that. So once you start doing that, you discover that you can actually make money without paying. Okay, without paying. The only thing, it will cost you time. Okay, so when people come to my DM and say, oh, please, your mentorship, I want you to mentor me, this, that, and when I say, okay, look at the amount you are going to pay, oh, sorry, I don't have money, oh, please help me out, I'm dying, I'm doing this, I'll be laughing and say, no, things doesn't work that way. You can go, this YouTube here, you don't pay for the videos you are watching. Just go to YouTube, watch the videos, practice them. It works. Okay, those strategies works. Apply them and you see you start making money. It's simple. Okay, so but if you want that mentorship with me, the person is going to give in his time or her time. The person is going to take you as responsibility, that the person will not be responsible for your success. You make sure that, okay, you have paid for the mentorship. I'm going to make sure that I will give you something or resources or information that will make you successful trading the forex market. That's the job of the person you paid for, as in you paid your money to mentor you. The person will cut you time. It will help you cut a lot of stress and time wasting of time searching for resources online and all that. It's just like a shortcut. For you to pay for mentorship is a shortcut, but you can learn without paying a dime. So don't be pressured when someone said you need to pay some amount of money and you'll be like, oh, I don't even have the money and I need to learn, and you'll be pressured to look for money or borrow money to pay. That's not how things work. Okay, you don't borrow money to do that, because it's going to mount pressure on you and it's going to make you not to relax and make the money. Okay, so if you don't have money to pay for courses, go for the free version. Okay, but if you have money, pay for the course. Okay, because it will save you a lot of time and it will help you. There's no two ways about it. So regarding that, my course will be launching this month. Okay, register, take the free ones. If you want to go for the paid ones, you go for the paid ones. Then remember, my last 1 week class. Okay, so my last 1 week class, I've been having 1 week section. Okay, this is the last point. If this spike did not come here, I'm going to close this trade in loss. Okay, remember, this is live. If I lose, you see it. If I win, you see it. If this price did not come at this zone, remember, I will always take this line as a zone, not just the exact point. So if the spike did not come at that zone, then we go. Okay, so now I do have 1 week mentorship program, okay, that I do. Like, people who have been there can testify. I put in my energy. You can see the spike. We recovered. Guys, you are seeing it. It's not a joke. Okay, you can see where I placed my stop loss. Assuming the price passed there, I will just close this trade. So all the waiting, all everything that we have been waiting for, we recover everything. So this is it. So let me continue. I will still come back to this spike, okay? And I want to explain something to you guys, because in my mentorship program, someone was making a mistake. The person actually knows what he's doing, but he was making mistake about boom and crash. He was just messing up. He actually knows how to analyze the trade, but he don't know how boom and crash works, which I know that some of you might have the same issue. You don't know how boom and crash works, and that's why you are losing money. Okay, so my last 1 week class because once I launch the course, I will no longer have time for 1 week, because this 1 week class and mentorship programs are stressing me. Okay, I know it's paid for. Okay, the class is paid for, but it's a stress, and that's why I have to put together this course, so that I won't always be there. I can just, if you pay for mentorship, you go and take the course, okay? Then after taking the course, at least you have the mindset of trade, the kind of person I want I want my traders to be. Then you come in for the mentorship. Then I'll be able to mentor you. Like, we have live sections. But before then, you have already taken those courses, okay? It will now make work more easier for me. And that's exactly why I created the course. It doesn't mean that the course is just because I need money or I want people to pay for my courses. No, it's because I needed time, okay? And that time is what you yourself, you still need the time, okay? While you are doing your trading, or while you are trading, you still need time to enjoy the money you are making, okay? So the last 1 week section before my course is launched. So if you want to have interaction with me live on that is Google Meet, if you want to have interaction with me live, then pay for this 1 week class. It's not going to be free, but the money is just like, let me just tell you, the money is $20. So it's $20 for 1 week section with me. I'm going to share my strategies. We are going to do some analysis and all that. So if you wish to join the 1 week class, I will leave the link that is for the WhatsApp group in the description of this video. So if you want to join, you join. If you are not ready to pay for the class, don't bother. Stay here on YouTube, learn, go to other platform, learn, go to any resources online, learn from there. Okay, don't bother joining the group, because WhatsApp just have 250 something, I think, that is in a group. So some of you will come filling everywhere. Even people who want to learn will no longer join the group. So if you know that you are not ready, this is the first time I'm mentioning price on this my channel, okay? But because I wanted to have just few persons, this is the last section of this 1 week class. I don't think I will ever do 1 week class again after this one. So if you want to learn, okay, if you want to learn and you are ready to sacrifice $20 for this class, then join the WhatsApp group, chat me up, and I will still drop a number that you will chat up. Then you make your payment, join the class. After this 1 week, my course will be dropping. Then you have to go there and pay for the course. Remember, I said I'm going to be giving discounts when this course drops. So if you want to learn how to trade boom and crash with relaxed mind, okay, you see how I'm creating videos and I'm making money at the same time, right here live, and it's a real account. It's not a joke, okay? It's small because I'm just doing videos, so I don't need to increase my lot size, because some of you always do whatever I do. So if you see me increase the lot size to 5 or 10, you go and increase your own, forgetting that you have a small account. That's why if you look at anytime I'm creating video, I'm always using the smallest lot size, so that you guys we always stick to your own account. Like, some of us have a very small account, so if you use those big lot size, people are going to use it without knowing that the account size is not the same, okay? So this is it for the course and for the 1 week mentorship program. If you wish to join, the door is open for you right now, okay? Once you watch this video, the door is already open. So the class is supposed to be starting on 20th of this month, okay? 20th. So if you wish to join, okay, you can join. The link will be in the description of this video. You join the WhatsApp group, then from there you get the information for the next thing you need to do. All right, so now this is what I want to explain to you guys about boom and crash, okay? Some people, boom and crash is life. It teaches you a lesson about life. Look at what happens to people, especially most of you here are doing it. When you come to crash, do you know what people do? Most of you will go and be buying crash all the time. You are buying. Okay, they are buying crash. Why are they buying? Because once you buy, you start seeing the blues, you start making money. This small candlesticks will be making you money, and you are happy that you are making money. As the candle is coming to the upside, you are making money, forgetting that if just one spike should come, all this money is gone and you start losing money. That's the problem. Have you seen that when I placed this trade, I was losing? I was losing, but I'm comfortable because I know once one spike comes, I recover my money. So that's why I always advise people, okay? Remember this for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor, but I always, give you my own view about trading, okay? How I trade. I always say you should focus on selling crash and buying boom. With that, you'll be able to manage your account. Why you blow account, if you just check your history and see the reason why you are blowing accounts, is most time you will go and be buying a crash. Okay, you keep buying crash and selling boom, because once you say, you start seeing some profit on boom. If you buy on crash, you start seeing some profit. No, that's not how it works. Life, you have to put in the work. Life, you have to stress yourself first, and you, at the end of the day, you rest. That's how boom and crash work. Go for that losses first, start losing money first, okay? And avoid spike. Catch spike, okay? Catch spike. Don't focus on those small candlesticks unless you have seen that the price is clearly trending up. If it's on crash, okay, if the price is clearly trending up, then go and buy. But if you don't know what the price is doing, or the price is trending down, you don't have any business to buy crash. So for me, basically, I focus on selling crash. Okay, I only buy crash if I want to use those scalping strategies, that maybe if I want to pick 5 candles, 10 candles, 15 candles, or anything like that. That's the only time I buy crash or sell boom. Okay, so understand how boom and crash works. This small thing going up, if one spike should come right now, you are going to lose all the money you have been making. So all these things here, all these things going up, okay, might just be, maybe, let me say, it will give you, if you are using one standard lot, it might be giving you like $7 or so. But if a spike should come here, you are going to be losing 15 point something or more than that. So that's the reason why most of us blow account. And one funny thing about this is, some of you go and set your stop loss here. Okay, as the price is going up, you set it here, thinking that when spike come, you are not going to lose money. That's a lie. If a spike should come here and the spike is long this way, the spike is going to quietly drag your stop loss come down to this point. Your stop loss is not going to be here or anywhere you set it. The spike will drag it to the end of the spike. So instead of you losing, just maybe you have proposed to lose $1 on this trade, you are going to lose $5. Okay, you're going to be losing $5. So if you have $10 account and you are trading this way, okay, and a spike comes, you have lost 50% of your account. Okay, so if you have a very small account, always focus on catching spikes, unless you want to use some scalping strategy where you'll be picking 5 candles, 10 candles, 15 candles, and so. All right, so I think this information is clear. I think you guys can see how to do this. Okay, if you know me very well, you know that I don't like backtesting. I only backtest just to show you some certain things, but for me, I want to do this live so that you will see how I do it. Okay, so that when you are doing your own, you should be confident. Like, just have confidence in the strategy you are using. And what brings about confidence is when you have tested the strategy, used it a lot, and you know how it works. So you'll be confident enough to use it anytime, any day. All right, so this is it, guys, for this section. Remember, if you want to join the 1-week class, go down, the link will be in the description of this video. Okay, then get ready for my course. I'm giving out the course. Like, the paid version is going to be, it's going to be fire, guys. It's going to be fire. The free version is also fire. So all of them fire everywhere. So guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now, guys.